Selecting a team to develop a digital solution is something we face every day at Jelvix. In this video, we will lift the veil of mystery and answer the question, who must be on the software development team? Watch this video till the end to find the perfect team. We're Jelvix and you're on our channel. Weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. First, let's discuss some theories. So far, companies have used 3 main approaches to recruitment: generalist, specialist, or I-shaped, and hybrid, or T-shaped. Let's talk briefly about each of them. According to the generalist approach, each team member should have a broad knowledge of the entire creation procedure. This allows all participants to perform together on particular stages of work, or focus on different parts of the project, depending on the task. But there is one significant disadvantage. Since no one in the team can boast in-depth knowledge of a particular tool, it's sometimes necessary to turn to outsource workers. Now, the specialist approach is the exact opposite method. This kind of management involves putting together a team where everyone will be responsible for their own phase of work. But even though people can be very competent, it can be challenging to bring them into a single work format. Finally, the hybrid method, by right, incorporates all the best of the previous approaches. Such T-shaped or hybrid teams have narrowly focused professionals and generalists who help integrate the various stages of the project. This concept helps to make the development process more agile. Let us know in the comments which approach you think is better. Now we've come to the most exciting part. Who are they? Our working bees of the hybrid software development team. Of course, it all starts with the customer, or product owner, as the developers at Jelvix would say. This person has the vision of the final product, finances the project, and evaluates the results. Without him or her, there would be no team at all. Next comes the business analyst. This is the guru of numbers and foresight. Their main task is to check the project idea for viability and also to coordinate the vision between the product owner and the team members. Next, the project manager, the brain and soul of the team. Their task is to ensure communication between the client and the group. The manager also schedules deadlines, tracks development milestones, and solves problems. Now moving on to the most creative person, the UI/UX designer. They need to understand how users will utilize the application. After all, their main task is to design the appearance of the software as convenient and understandable for the user as possible. Now, a team wouldn't be a team if it didn't have its main driving force, the developers. In the sweat of their brows, front-end and back-end developers bring to reality all the ideas and tasks from the previous people on the list. They use dozens of tools and programming languages to perform their duties and write quality code. QA engineer. This person is responsible for checking the quality of the code and its compliance with customer requirements. A tester often works next to them. The difference is that the tester checks the code only for bugs and functionality. Last but not least is a marketing specialist. A marketer is responsible for promoting and making users aware of a product. Trust us, these people know that you need their product, even if you don't know it yourself. So this is what the basic set of specialists look like for most projects. Of course, there are more complicated tasks that require additional staff. Then you can add a DevOps engineer, technical writer, product manager, or data analyst to your team. In fact, everything is decided on the spot or even during the development process. And now, as promised, let's discuss the metrics defining an effective team. Without further ado, here's a little checklist that will identify a good team. They have good communication within the team. They work together and understand the end goal. Each member knows his or her task. They are familiar with the corporate culture. And finally, they have a sum of skills needed to get the job done. Actually, we recommend watching our video on project discovery phase. This is the most important stage of the project, and it's often overlooked. We're sharing our own experience there, so check it out. The link is in the top right or in the description box. And if you like this video, you can support by liking it and leaving a comment. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.